Welcome to the Finances Money Matters, the podcast where we talk about all things related to finance and investment. Today, we shall continue with the Episode 7. In this episode, we shall share with you how to negotiate your salary and benefits with your employer. Here is the last tip to guide you through the process. Follow up and document the agreement. After you reach an agreement with your employer, you should follow up and document it. You should send a thank you note to your employer and restate the main points of the agreement, such as the salary, benefits, start date, and duration. You should also ask for a written confirmation or contract that outlines the terms and conditions of the agreement and sign it after reviewing it carefully. You should keep a copy of the agreement for your records and reference. Following up and documenting the agreement can help you avoid any confusion or disputes in the future and ensure a smooth and successful transition. By following these steps and tips throughout these episodes, you can negotiate your salary and benefits with your employer effectively and professionally. Thank you for listening to our finances. Money matters. We hope you learned something valuable today.